Hello beautiful devs. In this video we will learn how we can get the keywords from our competitor or enemy, in sense of the competitiveness in this field. How we can get the keywords from his website or from certain page. So for example, if we want to bring our website with some keywords which are we want to focus, for example Pakistan, Pakistan blog, let's suppose Pakistani blog or articles. Then we can just search it, Pakistani or Pakistan blog, and then you can see that we have the some of the websites over here, like Delhi Pakistan is on the top, and if you click on blog you can see that it is the blog section. Okay, but indeed we will actually create a blog as well on our website, and for the main website page, which is for example this Delhi Pakistan, you can see it has a lot of news on the main page and business, technology, and then he have the mix categories, like our categories which we will actually do on our website. So we can actually get this URL. So let's copy this URL, and then we can move into the our ads Google Ads page, and here we will just click discover new words, and here you can see start with a website option. So let's click it, and then you can see we have the entire site. We only want to focus the main page, only the main page. So we will just select the main page, and for specific pages you can actually focus the keywords. So here we can just paste it, and we will just click on get keywords. Okay, so you can see that we don't have any result, and the reason can be that it has this English, I think. So maybe we can just select the main thing without en, and then search, and again you can see that we don't have any searches now after some time it searched a lot of things here, and these are the main keywords on his on the main website. So main page, and here you can see Pakistani phones, Pakistan mobiles, Pakistani mobile prices. These are the keywords, and we will find out our desired keywords. Like actually this is only specific to phones. I don't know why it's coming phones and everywhere, phone and smartphones, and the reason, what is the reason? So let's move back, and if we move back to the main without English website again, on the top domain you can see this is this type of blog is there in Urdu, and this blog is actually targeted with some keywords with mobile phone. So I think we can choose some another website. Hamari Web is our target, so let's copy the Hamari Web and let's search out the Hamari Web words. So click here and paste and get keywords and here are some keywords, and I think very few keywords are actually targeted, and the best Urdu poetry collection, Urdu poetry video, poetry on pyar, and Urdu ghazal. So these words are actually targeted to the main page. Indeed, we can actually inspect the page sometimes. If you don't find out the right meta tags or meta keywords, we can inspect the page and we will see that the developer focused which words in the meta tags and the meta keyword section. So let's find out. So here in the header we have the row, and let's find out the class content section row and footer. Okay, so we will be in the header, and in the header we have the input, style, body, and head. Title is this. Okay, so title has some keywords, so we need these keywords. I will just copy these keywords and let's paste these keywords over here. Okay, so this is for the title page. You can see all health, education, Islam, and mobiles, etc. targeted. So yeah, that's fine. So we can actually create a home page. For home page or home page menu, we will focus these words. So Control A, Control X, and Control V. Okay, and yeah, that's good. And what we can do, we can just make it bigger. Okay, so these words are actually the main keywords focused in the title. So title is also very important thing. And then unfortunately you can see the description is also there. Content, keyword, content, meta name. Yeah, here is the meta name, and these keywords we can actually use in our keywords, main focus keywords on the main page as well. So let's paste these words as well. So now in this case you can see that we didn't found the correct keywords from Google Ads, and actually the that keywords for these keywords, which are these keywords from the websites, Hamari Web is not top ranking, so that's why he is not showing us that keywords there, maybe. And then you can see the description. We need the description as well. So from here we can get the description and we will modify it. So I will just copy the description as well, and I will just paste the description as well here. Okay, so these are some keywords keywords and the description which we will focus on. We will save it, and this is it for the main page. Okay, you can definitely focus some other websites, but I think we should focus this Hamari Web. And for example, if you see the title here, you can see Hamari Web, Pakistan leading website news web portal leading. Okay, so for example, if we type here Pakistan web portal, okay, then you can see we have cricket portal, and unfortunately for this keyword the Hamari Web is not on the first page. But if we write here Pakistan leading web portal, then you can see that Hamari Web top. Okay, so what it means is that the keyword used in the title bar, okay, the title is very important. Okay, so this keyword you can see is a keyword which is a little bit lengthy, and usually people may not search for this keyword specifically. So this keyword, we can actually target this keyword very nicely. Okay, so here you can see that hamaryweb.com, and it has a page rank of, okay, page rank is, if you find this issue that page rank is not visible, then you must log in to the Moz website. Okay, so if Moz, and if you will again you have to log in into the account. Okay, for some reason it is actually login, but then why we can't see the page ranks? Anyhow, that issue we will solve. Anyhow, in this video we have learned that how we can actually get the words from our competitor, and we can focus that keywords as well, and I showed you some technical ways as well, so you can just analyze the code of the website, and you can get the description, keywords, etc. from the website. Okay, so if for example the AdWords is not Google Ads is not working accurate, then you can do that as well. Okay, so that's it for this video. In next video we will move further. Goodbye.